Need the perfect drink after a long day? If you love a Shamrock Shake, you're gonna love my healthy version. It's loaded with vegan protein, natural fiber, almond milk, and of course, chocolate-covered espresso beans.
Hi, I'm Christina Monty-Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my mint chocolate smoothie. It is so good, loaded with fiber and protein. You're going to love it. Ingredients: an avocado, fresh mint leaves. I have 1 tablespoon of chocolate-covered espresso beans, 1 scoop of vegan protein powder, a cup of almond milk, and a cup of crushed ice. There you go. I'm going to cut off any brown part I don't want. And just place it in to my blender. I have the avocado. Get that in there. The avocado is loaded with fiber, between 10 and 14 grams of fiber per avocado. So it's definitely something you want to put in your smoothie. A tablespoon of chocolate-covered espresso beans. I love them and they're good, so good. This is dark chocolate. The stems, so just throw in the mint. Plant milk. About 1 cup of crushed ice. One. Whoa, 1, 2. And just a little bit of fresh mint. And cheers, my mint chocolate smoothie. I hope you check it out.
Like, save, share, and remember you are deeply loved by God.